Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be making a very easy origami flower photo frame. So let's begin with the video. I'm using a 15 by 15 centimeters origami paper. To make the photo frame, let's fold the paper into two diagonals and open it. Then we'll give two half folds. Now let's fold the four corners into the center and form four triangles. Then open the triangles and fold the tip of it to the center of the baseline, thus forming a mini triangle. Look at the video for clarity. Now fold the four sides, making sure the mini triangle is tucked inwards like it's shown here. Then flip the paper over and again fold the four corners into the center. To give a flower-like design, fold the tip of each triangle outward like shown here. Flip over and here the origami flower photo frame is ready. I'm inserting an image of a heart with the name of Jesus in the frame. You can also frame a photo or a quote in it. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Hope you enjoyed this week's video. Let me know in the comments if you're going to try this out. Stay tuned for another video next Friday. Do like my video and share it with those who love craft and art content. Also comment below and subscribe to my channel. See you all in my next video. God bless.